64% of the top collagen brands on Amazon tested positive for arsenic. 37% had measurable lead. Some brands were spiking cadmium at over 2 times the legal limit, and the EFTA doesn't test any of it before it hits the shelves. So we ranked 10 of the biggest American collagen brands from complete trash to actual elite, starting with the absolute worst offender. Number 10 is Bulletproof. The Bulletproof chocolate collagen was tested by the Organic Consumers Association back in 2020, and the results were ugly. 9.17 micrograms of cadmium per serving. The California legal limit is 4.1, so that's more than double. Then 1.57 micrograms of lead per serving, over 3 times the legal line for a single scoop. Cadmium doesn't leave your body fast. It parks in your kidneys for 10 to 30 years, and long-term exposure is linked to chronic kidney disease, weak bones, and cancer. Lead damages your brain, your heart, and every organ system it touches, and there's no safe level of lead for adults or kids. The reason it's this bad is chocolate. Cocoa plants naturally soak up heavy metals from the soil, which is why chocolate-flavored powders are almost always worse than plain ones. Bulletproof has no NSF for sport certification, no clean label project seal, no independent third-party check of any kind. You're paying premium prices for a supplement that could quietly wreck your kidneys over years. And if you think that's the worst, wait until you see what came in first place for lead. Number 9, Orgain. Founded by a doctor, marketed as clean, plant-forward, organic, USTA organic sticker on the front of every tub. And still, the same 2020 Clean Label Project study found Orgain's collagen peptides had the highest lead level of any collagen tested, 1.57 micrograms per scoop, over 3 times the Prop 65 limit. It also carried trace mercury. Then, in July 2026, a class action lawsuit was filed in federal court in Washington against Costco over Orgain's organic plant-based protein powder. Testing found lead as high as 67 parts per billion, more than 600% above the safety threshold. Cadmium up to 70.3 parts per billion. Arsenic almost 20. Now that's their plant protein line, not the collagen, but it's the same company running the same quality control. Organic doesn't mean clean. USTA organic certification doesn't test for heavy metals at all. It only tests for pesticide use. That green sticker is basically decoration when it comes to what's actually poisoning you. But there's one brand with even more arsenic than Orgain, and it's the one health-conscious people trust the most. At number 8, it's Garden of Life. The 2020 collagen study found Garden of Life's unflavored grass-fed collagen powder had 4.7 micrograms of arsenic per serving. That's the highest of any collagen brand tested. It technically stayed under California's 10 microgram threshold for arsenic, but 4.7 is still a lot to drink every day. Arsenic is a known human carcinogen. Long-term low-dose exposure is linked to bladder cancer, lung cancer, skin lesions, and heart disease. It also affects fetal development, which matters for anyone pregnant or trying. And Garden of Life brands itself as the whole foods, plant-clean, non-GMO, gut-friendly choice. Their Sportline plant protein was also flagged by Consumer Reports in October 2025 for lead levels 4 to 6 times over the safety benchmark. Same pattern every single time in this industry. The marketing is clean, the lab tests are not. Which brings us to a brand you've almost definitely seen at your local health food store. Number 7 is Ancient Nutrition. Dr. Josh Axe's brand, multi-source collagen from grass-fed beef, cage-free chicken, wild fish, and even fermented eggshell membrane. Sounds premium? Sounds thorough on the label. But their keto collagen chocolate showed lead over 2 times the Prop 65 limit and trace mercury in the same 2020 study. Cocoa strikes again. On the positive side, Ancient Nutrition does publish some certificates of analysis. They're CGMP certified, and some of their newer products carry regenerative organic and USTA organic seals. But they also load most of their powders with natural flavors: stevia, monk fruit extract, xanthan gum, and proprietary probiotic blends. Every extra ingredient is another chance for contamination and another thing your body has to filter and break down. If you're taking collagen for skin, joints, gut health, or hair, you want a single ingredient product. Nothing else. Ancient Nutrition is a decent brand with some genuinely sketchy chocolate flavors, but the next one has serious legal history you need to know about. And now at number 6 is Vital Proteins, the single biggest collagen brand in America, owned by Nestle since 2020, sold in every Target, every Costco, every Whole Foods, and pushed on Instagram by every celebrity from Jennifer Aniston to Meghan Markle. Back in 2017, California's Environmental Research Center filed a Prop 65 enforcement action against Vital Proteins over lead and cadmium in 4 of their products. their grass-fed collagen whey, their collagen veggie blend, their dark chocolate and blackberry peptides, and their vanilla and coconut peptides. The case ended in a settlement. Vital Proteins now carries lead exposure warnings on multiple products under Prop 65. Then, in 2023, they recalled around 60,000 canisters for plastic fragments found in the powder. Their basic bone broth collagen actually tested with the lowest arsenic in the whole 2020 study at 0.09 micrograms per serving, so it's not all bad news. But their main collagen line has no NSF for sport certification, and a $500 million class action lawsuit rumor floats around the internet that we couldn't verify in any real court records. Popular doesn't mean clean, which is exactly why the mid-tier brands are worth talking about next. Number 5. Youtheory. Costco's favorite collagen brand. You've seen the giant white tub near the vitamin aisle. Millions of Americans take it every single day. But Youtheory's collagen advanced formula tablets carry the California Prop 65 lead exposure warning. That means the product contains between 0.5 and 15 micrograms of lead per recommended daily dose. Not the strongest cancer warning tier, but still a warning that most buyers never actually read on the label. It's sourced from conventional cattle, not grass-fed, which means those cows could have been fed grain dosed with antibiotics and growth hormones, and exposed to industrial contaminants that end up in the hide and bones the collagen gets made from. It also comes in tablet form, which means it needs binders, fillers, and coating agents to hold the pill together. It's cheap, it's sold everywhere, and it kind of works, but it's average at best. Now the tier flips. Then at number 4, NeoCell. NeoCell Super Collagen was actually one of the lower metal performers in the entire 2020 Clean Label Project test. Under Prop 65 thresholds across every metal they measured, that's a real win in an industry where most brands fail those tests. Single ingredient formula. Type 1 and Type 3 collagen from bovine hide, which are the two collagen types your skin, joints, and hair are made of. The brand's been around since the 90s, so there's a genuine track record. The downside is some NeoCell products still carry a Prop 65 lead warning label depending on the flavor, and the brand doesn't hold NSF for sport or informed sport certification, which are the two independent testing marks that athletes and serious buyers look for. It's a solid mass market option that probably won't hurt you. But it's not top tier either. The top 3 brands are on another level entirely. Coming in at number 3 is Sports Research. Now the elite starts. Sports Research Collagen Peptides is USTA Organic certified. Sourced from grass-fed, pasture-raised cattle in Brazil. No hormones, no antibiotics, no grain finishing at the end. Certified by both Informed Choice and Informed Sport, which means every single batch gets independently tested for the banned substances that would end an athlete's career. Also NSF certified gluten-free, non-GMO project verified, and produced in a CGMP certified facility inside the United States. It's a single ingredient powder with no fillers, no sweeteners, no stevia, and no natural flavors. No lawsuits, no recalls, no controversies. This is the value pick for people who care about what they put in their body but don't want to pay top-shelf prices. Clean sourcing, real independent testing, transparent labels, and about half the cost per serving of the number 1 brand, but the top 2 are still in a class of their own. Number 2 is Bubs Naturals. Named after Glenn Bub Doherty, a Navy SEAL killed in the 2012 Benghazi attack. 10% of every Bubs profit goes to veteran-focused charities. Bubs Collagen Peptides is NSF certified for sport, which is the single highest supplement testing certification in America right now. Every single batch gets independently tested for label accuracy, heavy metals, and roughly 290 banned substances. It's also Whole30 approved. Single ingredient formula. Grass-fed, pasture-raised bovine collagen sourced from Brazil. 20 grams of protein per serving. 0 sugar, 0 sweeteners, 0 fillers, 0 natural flavors. Made in a GMP-certified American facility with published testing. This is the cleanest single-ingredient collagen you can actually buy in the country right now. Nothing hidden, nothing extra, nothing sketchy. But there's one brand that pushes transparency even further than Bubs does. And at number 1, elite tier, Momentous. Momentous grass-fed collagen peptides is NSF certified for sport. Per batch, not just once. That alone puts it in the top tier. But Momentous doesn't stop there. They publish every single batch's third-party test results directly on the product page through an independent lab called Light Lab, certificates of analysis screening 240-plus contaminants. Lead, arsenic, cadmium, mercury, pesticides, microplastics, BPA, BPs, glyphosate, all of it, publicly viewable before you even hit the checkout button. Then they add Fortigel, a patented collagen peptide with actual peer-reviewed research on joint health, plus vitamin C, which your body physically needs to build collagen from what you're drinking. Without vitamin C, most of the collagen you swallow doesn't get built into anything. It's not the cheapest option on the shelf, but it's the only brand in America that lets you verify exactly what's in every single scoop before it goes in your body. That's the difference between marketing and proof. And if you're going to drink collagen every single day for the rest of your life, you should probably know exactly what's in it. 10 brands ranked by the only thing that actually matters: what's inside the tub. If this saved you from buying a bad supplement, hit subscribe. We break down the truth about a different industry every week. Check the description for every study we used.